Good morning, ma'am. Myself Satka. I'm from CSC department. Today, I'm going to explain about shift registers. First, let us discuss about the introduction to shift registers. Shift registers are sequential circuits used to store and manipulate digital data. They can shift data in one or both directions depending on their configuration. Shift registers play a crucial role in digital communication and data processing. Here we can also observe the diagram about registers. Types of shift registers. There are several types of shift registers, including serial in, serial out, and parallel in, parallel out. Other types include serial in, parallel out, and parallel in, serial out, and also bidirectional shift registers. Each type serves different applications based on how data is input and output. Here we can also observe the diagram related to shift registers. This is a 4-bit shift register, and here we can also observe the register initially, how it is after clock 1, after clock 2, after clock 3, and also after clock 4. Basic operation of shift registers. Shift registers operate by shifting bits of data either to the left or right. A clock signal controls the timing of data shifts, ensuring synchronization. Data is loaded into the register, shifted on each clock pulse, and can be read out sequentially. Here we can observe the circuit of shift register. Coming to the applications of shift registers. Shift registers are widely used in digital circuits for data storage and transfer. They are essential in applications such as data converters, counters, and digital signal processing. Additionally, they are used in communication systems for serial data transmission. And here are 4-bit register and its circuit diagram. Shift register configuration. Shift registers can be configured as either synchronous or asynchronous. In synchronous shift registers, all bits are shifted simultaneously with a clock pulse. In asynchronous shift registers, bits can shift on their own without a clock signal based on input changes. Here are clock pulse and shift register circuits. Serial versus parallel data input. Serial input means data is fed into the shift register one bit at a time. Parallel input allows multiple bits to be loaded into the register simultaneously. The choice between serial and parallel input affects the speed and complexity of the data handling. Here is the SISO principle, which is serial in and serial out, and its circuit diagram. Advantages of shift registers. Shift registers are efficient in terms of space as they can store multiple bits in a compact form. They enable easy manipulation of data for various digital applications. Their ability to shift data allows for flexible design in digital systems. And here is the circuit diagram which shows serial input and parallel output and clock pulse and clear everything. Disadvantages of shift registers. Shift registers may introduce delay due sequential nature of data shifting. They can become complex when handling large amount of data or multiple inputs. Additionally, they may require more control signals, increasing design complexity. Serial in, serial out shift register. Shift registers are available in IC form or can be constructed from discrete flip-flops as is shown here with a 5-bit serial in, serial out register. Each clock pulse will move an input bit to the next flip-flop. For example, a 1 is shown as it moves across. Key components of shift registers. Essential components of shift registers include flip-flops which store individual bits. The clock signal is crucial for synchronizing data shifts within the register. Input and output lines are necessary for interfacing with other digital components. And here is the register initially, it is clear, and after clock 1, after clock 2, after clock 3, and after clock 4. Future of shift registers. Shift registers continue to evolve with advancements in digital technology and integration. Emerging applications in AI and LOT are driving the need for more sophisticated and efficient registers. As technology progresses, shift registers will remain integral to digital circuit design and functionality. Hope you understood my explanation about shift registers. Thank you, ma'am.